when I am turning, when I'm in overhand weave on my right, turning left into clockwise, what I do is I do an extra extension with the left arm to give it more time to pull my right arm underneath to get into it. So I'm in my weave. Now watch, I'm going to turn. I'll do a slight extension with my left arm to make it bigger to give my right arm time to get underneath it. I do a slight extension with my left hand, but I also do a slight extension with my right hand. So where my left hand comes bigger over the top, my right hand comes bigger under the bottom, so that I can focus on them meeting in the middle. So if you hold your poi like this, from stillness, in theory, you should be able to start it and come into just that tangle with the equal and opposite force from stillness. That will help you get it. Your right hand is going to scoop from underneath. Your left hand is going to throw from over the top. I'll try and do this, but imagine my body's not there. So I'm going to try and turn my body, even though imagine it's actually on the front plane in front of me. So my left is up, my right is down. I'm going to throw my left over like that. I'm going to pull my right under like this. Okay, so you're doing the right initiating motion. At the point where they hit, remember, you have to keep momentum going. So pull your right one up while you push your left one down. So follow through. Remember to follow through. The reason I had you do that from stillness is because I believe from the weave, so watch, I'm going to say now, and at the point where I say now, it's the point that you are entering from the stillness that I had you do a minute ago. So watch. So now, did you see it? I'm in the weave. So now, as your right is entering it, you go down to pull up. So you go down to come underneath the center point. So the idea is, if I face you so that you can see it better, if the tangle point is here, this is the point of tangle, my left arm is going up so that it can come down. My right point is going down so it can come up, right? So I'm in my weave. Then right here is that point of stillness, right? And you see how my right poi came underneath and my left poi came over the top. But what I'm realizing might be useful is, I'm not sure if you know how to do the weave with extension. So it's almost like I'm doing a weave with extension and turning on the extension to come into the tangle. I'm in my weave with extension, weave with extension. Okay, now weave with extension, turn to the tangle. Chase the sun into the Airwrap 2-petal, weave, left turn, right turn, 2-petal, and then back to chase the sun, back to tangle. And we could get to this. So this is the clockwise tangle, this is the anti-clockwise tangle. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Or we could do that one. Ignore that fuck up at the end.